Hey guys, welcome to Synchronicity Tarot. So today I'm back again with another pick a card reading. So this reading will be should you wait or move on? Okay, so you have specific someone in your life and you don't know whether you should wait or move on because you both are not talking, you are not in communication, or you both broke up with each other, so you don't know what to do. So for that we will ask spirits and angels to guide us and give some clarity. Okay, and if you have any specific question in your mind, you can think about it, meditate and choose the pile. Then maybe those questions are also answered in the reading, who knows. Okay, whatever messages I get, I will definitely deliver to you. And we have four piles here. Pile number 1, yellow heart, then pile 2, green heart, pile 3, red heart, and pile 4, white heart. Okay, this reading will be little short because I have taken 4 piles here. Then please note that these are general readings. They may or may not resonate with everybody. Please take whatever resonates with you and leave the rest. Okay, if you want any personal reading, you can contact me. My details are given below. Then that's all. So without wasting much time, let's start the reading. Should you wait or move on? Whoever chose this pile 1 yellow heart, this reading is for you. Should you wait or move on? Should you wait or move on? Please give us some clarity. Whoever chose pile 1, should they wait or move on? Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. Please give us some guidance and clarity. Should they wait or move on? Okay, it is the Pope. 2 of stars. Then 10 of stars. Okay. So bottom of the deck you have here the Initiate. Okay. So what I feel is you might be dealing with strongly, I feel you are dealing with Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, and also some of you are dealing with your person might be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay, so definitely this person and you had intimate connection throughout, and this is not a short connection. You and this person had a long time relationship. Maybe this person is your classmate, college mate, or colleague, or whoever it is. You know this person very well for many years, and you both met online actually. So maybe you both were friends once upon a time. Then after that you got departed and you had your own lives. Okay, then you both were separated. Then finally you met online. Maybe this is a long distance relationship. Then you both met online. Then you started slowly talking. Then again reminiscing the past and how you used to play. And see, that time you had no feelings. Okay, you were just friends or colleagues or whatever it is. So you both were reminiscing both were reminiscing the childhood memories, and slowly talking you both felt like some attraction is there in this connection. Then you both got close to each other, and you both are like again started talking slowly, and it is unconfessed love for many of you. I feel that this is unconfessed love, and maybe one of you has proposed and other person just ghosted. That's what I can feel. Okay, so one person proposed the other, and the other person just ghosted without saying anything. Okay, the Pope card says that this person is also having so many emotions, so many feelings for you, but still they did not express the feelings. Maybe because of their circumstances, or maybe they are already married, they are already in some relationship, but they did not confess their love to you. For many of you I am getting this message. Okay, Then two of stars means this person is spying on you, they are checking on you, maybe they are asking your mutual friends if you because you have past history, so maybe this person is checking with others how you are doing, what you are doing, then how is everything going on in your life. Okay, so this person definitely is not leaving you as such. Okay, this person is keeping an eye on you, but the connection has ended in a very bad manner. Okay, so this is kind of a very painful ending, and ghosting, then it is kind of a insult, right? Somebody ghosted someone, so that guilt is there, so that pain is there. Okay, because 10 of swords means it is lot of pain, okay, unbearable pain. And even you both are having this pain. I can feel that you are in this pain, and the other person also is in this pain, but nobody knows how to initiate. Okay, so you both are feeling like this connection is totally ended. You have cried for some time, you were like very much depressed, maybe some people got into some health issues also. So definitely this person and you has struggled a lot. I feel that you both are not in contact maybe for 10 months, 1 year, or for some of you 2 years also. So definitely this person is not happy at the moment about this connection. Okay, so they want to initiate the contact, they want to initiate the communication, because the initiate card is there. Okay, so they want to contact you, maybe they want to apologize, or maybe they want to explain what were their conditions, why they ghosted you, or if you have ghosted them, they wanted to ask why you did it, and they want to explain they are not bad person. Okay, so this is there, but their intentions are to initiate. Okay, initiate the contact, initiate the like again they want to talk to you, because even now also your connection is online only. Okay, you did not meet each other face to face. Maybe earlier in the past you were together, but not now. Okay, let us pull more cards to get more information. Okay, so my pile one people, should they wait or move on? Archangel Michael, please give us some guidance and clarity. Should they wait or move on in their life? Should they leave the other person? Should they wait or move on? Please give us some clarity and guidance. If any other message you want to give, please give, Spirit. Already two cards fell down. I'll take it. So the Lovers, and bottom of the deck we have Devil. Let me take out the cards which fell down. Temperance, Four of Swords. Okay, so you or your person might be Scorpio or Gemini or Sagittarius. Okay, so these signs I'm getting from this spread. Okay, so definitely you have to wait for this person, because this person loves you a lot, because you both are destined, maybe you both are soulmates, and angels are guiding your connection and protecting your connection. So definitely you have to wait for this person to reach out to you, because they also want balance in their life. Okay, they want balance in this connection, and I can see that they are praying God, they are trying to manifest you. Okay, so they are praying, they are asking guidance and help from angels. So they know what they have done. Okay, so if at all they have done any mistake, or they broke your heart, they know that they are wrong. So definitely they want to rectify their mistake, and they want to come back to you. Why? Because the Devil card is there, so they are obsessed with you. Like they are very much attracted to you, maybe both physically and mentally, spiritually. So they feel like they are chained to you. There is unfinished symphony in this connection, so they want to complete it. Like they don't want to leave it at the in the middle. so they want to complete it, they want to have fulfillment with you, and definitely they love you a lot. These feelings are mutual, it is not one sided. I can clearly see with the Lovers card. So they are not able to sleep at night, they are constantly thinking about you, they are obsessed about you. So maybe they are coming out of a relationship right now, or they want to come out of a relationship they are in right now. That is why the swords are popping up again and again. So there are some issues in their life which they want to come out of. Okay, so that is the reason they are taking more time to come to you, but definitely their intentions are pure and they want to come to you, they love you so much. But when time comes, definitely they will explain what happened exactly. Let's pull one guidance card for you. One guidance card for my pile 1. Please, spirits and angels, one guidance card for my pile 1. Please give us some guidance and clarity. Okay, the Tower. Okay, so the guidance is something will happen unexpectedly, suddenly, when you are least expected. Okay, so this person might pop up in your life suddenly when you are not at all thinking about the person. You are into your own life, you are thinking about something else, but this person suddenly will come to you, suddenly something will happen, and definitely you both will be bumping into each other. Okay, so that is what universe is saying, that don't expect anything, don't keep any expectations, but definitely this will happen when it is unexpected. So which you are, maybe these circumstances are not very pleasant. Okay, that's what the universe is saying. Maybe the things are not pleasant when you meet this person, but definitely you will meet this person, unexpected changes will happen in your life and in your connection. Okay, so that's all I can say. Then let's pull some messages from this person. So let's pull some messages off from this person. Please give us some guidance and clarity. And messages from this person. One. Okay, I have how many? 6. Okay, done. So let's see. I was too much in my head. Okay, this person want to say I was too much in my head. Don't have regrets, this is sweet memory for lifetime. Okay, so that person is saying don't feel regret. So this is sweet memory in your life, in our life. We both are enjoying our friendship. So as I told you already, you both might be friends. So that person is saying we both are enjoying our friendship and I love you. Very good, because Lovers card also is there. I will wait for a sign from you, because they don't know what you are thinking and what you are feeling. So they are waiting for a sign from you. I want to reach out, but I am afraid. Definitely, this person wants to reach out to you, but they are afraid. Okay, that's all I have for you. Pile number 1. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Until the next reading, bye. Whoever chose this green heart, this reading is for you. Should you wait or move on? Should you wait or move on? Please, spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. Should they wait or move on? Should they wait or move on? Okay, this is Prince. It is initiate. Then neophyte. And bottom of the deck we have 2 of stars. Okay, so same thing I got in the previous pile also. Let me see. So I can see here the stars, I can see signs, I can see is Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini and Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. I can see these signs. Okay, so definitely you met this person online. So it is, for some people it is long distance relationship, or some people You both may be in different cities. So definitely this started like from observing from far. Okay, so maybe social, through social media. So they saw your profile or you saw their profile, then you both got attracted to each other, then slowly started talking, then your messages were exchanged and you both fell in love with each other. Okay, so definitely this person is highly sexually attracted towards you, and definitely they want to have a future with you. So because they want to have you in their life, because they want to conquer you, or they want victory in this connection definitely. Because the prince card is there, with that I can say they want to have a victory in this connection. They want to have you in their life, and they are romantically, sexually, everything, they are too much attracted towards you, and they want to initiate the contact with you. So most probably for this pile there are no conflicts. Okay, there are no conflicts, or there are no fights and all. But only thing is you both are not like proposed each other, I can feel. Okay, maybe indirectly you both are enjoying time with each other, but you did not express your feelings to each other. So this person or you both actually, you want to initiate a conversation, or they want to propose you. Okay, initiate means initiating some proposal, or initiating some plan with you. Okay, they want to have a nice dinner with you, they want to propose you, and they want to introduce you to their family, and they want to go as a like a proper manner. Okay, they don't want to do it anything against their family or against the society. So they want to have a proper everything. Okay, first talking with the family, then engagement, then marriage, everything they want it to do in a proper way. Okay, so then a neophyte means it is definitely they are about to communicate with you, because they have lot of love for you, they are lot of attraction to you, their cup is overflowing with the emotions. Okay, so they want to express their feelings, they want to communicate to you, they want to express their love towards you. Okay, that is what I am feeling from this spread. So let's pull more cards. Let's pull more cards for this file. Should you wait or move on? Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. Should you wait or move on? Should you wait or move on? Please give us some clarity and guidance. Okay, already one card came here. Queen of Cups. Okay, the Hermit. And Seven of Cups. Bottom of the deck we have Devil. Okay, definitely this person is too much attached to you, and they feel like they are chained towards you. They are not able to sleep at night, they are constantly thinking about you, they are fantasizing about you, they are feeling romantically, they sexually attracted towards you, and they are obsessed. Actually this is called obsession, and because of you maybe they are drinking also, sometimes they are not able to forget you. But one of you are married, and I can see single mom vibes here, because Queen of Cups is there. So already maybe you are divorcee, or the other person is divorcee. Because of this only you both are not able to express your feelings freely. Okay, because of the Hermit card is there. So you both are searching the information about each other, then you both are soul searching, meditating, retreating. Okay, because you don't know what exactly you want in your life. Okay, so you are confused, you have so many ideas, so many plans, you don't know which one to follow, because you have lot of ambition, you are ambitious, you or your person are quite ambitious. So you have so many future plans, and you don't know what to do exactly. Okay, so you don't know whether you want to go with this person, whether you want to marry this person and settle down. or because you are thinking in many ways, because one of you have children here from the other person. Okay, so maybe you are divorced, as I told you already, or widower for some of you, maybe pardon me, maybe for some of you that incident happened, your spouse died or something like that, but very few of you. Okay, so because of that, you don't know what to do, which is good for your children or what is good for their children, whether you will be able to mingle with the full family. Okay, that is also I am feeling. So as I told you already, this person want to do everything properly. Okay, they want to convince their family, they want to initiate contact, they want to initiate the engagement, marriage, they want to do everything in a proper manner. Okay, so what I feel here is you should wait, because all the cards are very positive cards only. There are no negative cards here. So devil card is not a negative card, as I told you already. So devil card is, when it comes in love readings, devil card is very good. Okay, very positive, because they are obsessed, they can't leave you. Okay, they are addicted towards you. Okay, so I feel that strongly that you should wait for this person. But anyways, we will ask spirits for one guidance card. Spirits and angels, please give us one guidance card. Please give us one guidance card. Okay, so Wheel of Fortune. So definitely wheel will turn into your favor, and definitely marriage will happen. See, bottom of the deck is Justice. So you or other person will divorce the past partner, and definitely you both will come into union. If at all you are married or the other person is married, definitely you will come into union in a divine timing. Okay, Wheel of Fortune, wheel is turning into your favor, and the time is very near, maybe in 10 days, 10 weeks, or 10 months, or in the month of October. So you both will get married, or at least something will be finalized, or you propose each other. Okay, something will happen, as I told you the time frame. So in that time frame something will happen. Okay, so you have to wait, you no need to move on. Let's pull some messages from this person. Let's pull some messages from this person. Let's pull some messages from this person. Okay. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, let's see. You are like a mirror to me, and it scares me. Okay, so the other person feels like you are kind of twin flame to them, whatever they are feeling, maybe you are observing. So they are saying you are like a mirror to me. Let's give a second chance to this connection. Maybe for some of you this person is your ex even, so they want to have a second chance in this connection. You are my best friend. Maybe for some of you this person is your best friend. You are mine forever. Beautiful card. Let's not rush things. Let it unfold naturally. Yeah, because don't be in a hurry, because everything has to go in a proper way. So you have to wait. No, do not rush. Don't be angry at me, because this person is taking too long to confess their love. So you are also frustrated. So this person is saying, do not be angry at me. Okay, that's all I have for you. Pile number 2. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Until the next reading, bye. Whoever chose this red heart, this reading is for you. Okay, should you wait or move on? Should you wait or move on? Should you wait or move on? Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. Should they wait or move on? Whoever chose pile 3, this red heart. Okay, 3 of Spheres. Two of Swords, then Apprentice, and Six of Pentacles, Spears. Okay, so definitely I can feel that this person is busy with their work. Maybe you both met each other at workplace. Maybe you both worked in the same project or something like that. So you know this person already, and this person, you both worked normally like friends or colleagues like that. Then slowly the feelings start developed, and even I can see the social media vibes also here, because Two of Swords is there. So definitely this person is spying you and keeping an eye on you. Maybe they have inquired about you in the social media, or they got many more details about you in the social media or through other friends. So because Two of Stars is there, so definitely they are spying, watching, they are gathering information about you. Okay, so right now they are busy in their work, because they might have started a new job or a new business. I can see clearly they are learning the work. Okay, so they are learning new things now, and they are busy in their life right now, but still they are keeping an eye on you, and they are thinking about you, and they want balance in this connection, because Six of Spears is there. So definitely they want to have balance in their life, in this connection actually. So definitely they are waiting for the right time, and they want to have equal give and take in this connection. Maybe earlier you gave them more, or they gave you more, but now right now they want to have equal give and take, and at the same time they are trying to build their finances. Maybe they started their career right now, maybe they are young people, whoever is watching this file. I get the vibes that you are young, maybe 20s. Okay, so definitely this person wants to have a financial stability before proposing you, before contacting you. So they are working towards that. They want to have a beautiful family with you, and they are moving towards you slowly. I can see that this is kind of Page of Pentacles. So slowly they are moving, very slow. Okay, but they want to come towards you. Their inner feeling is they want to come and propose you, and they want to have a balance in their life, and at the same time they want to have financial independence also. Okay, let me see, let me pull more cards to get more clarity about this situation. Okay, should they wait or move on? Spirits, my Archangel Michael, please give us some guidance and clarity. Should they wait or move on? Please give us some clarity. Please give us some guidance. Should they wait or move on? Nine of Swords, the Tower, Two of Swords. Bottom of the deck we have the Hanged Man. Okay, so definitely they are confused actually. Okay, they are confused, they don't know what to do, and for many of you, maybe you have two options or they have two options, but I can see this connection is ended, and you both are into a deep depression. Maybe this person is also like they spoiled their health because of this connection or breakup. They are crying at night, they are into depression. It can be vice versa, friends. Maybe you are in this situation or the other person is in this situation, but I can feel the lot of pain from this pile, I can see. And that is the reason they are in a hanged man position. They don't know what to do, they are confused, they don't know what you are feeling, what you are thinking, because the things ended unexpectedly and abruptly. Okay, so what exactly happened, I am also not getting what exactly happened between you earlier. So they don't know, I mean they are not making any move towards you, or they're not planning to make any move towards you. Okay, in the earlier card, they want to, in the earlier spread, they want to have balance in this connection, but they are not taking any action. Okay, slowly they are coming towards you, very, very slow. Okay, so if you have that much patience, you can wait for this person, but I'm sure that it will take ages for that person to come towards you, because they have some goals to fulfill. They want to, as I told you already, they want to have the financial freedom. They are building their finances, so it might take a long time. Okay, so that is entirely up to you if you want to wait for this person or not. So that's all I'm getting from this spread. Let us ask one guidance card. Okay, so let's ask one guidance card from spirits. Please give us some guidance card. Okay, the Hermit. So universe is saying that you have to listen to your gut feeling, and you have to listen to your heart, not mind. Okay, even bottom of the deck it is High Priestess and the Hermit. Okay, universe is saying that don't rush things, don't try to force things into your life. You have to wait, you have to meditate. First of all, you should know what you want exactly. So really you want this person, or you want to move on. So the decision is in your hand. It is, answer is within you. You have to ask yourself if you can wait so long, if you can waste your time. So the universe is saying listen to your heart and listen to your gut feeling. Okay, then you take the decision. Okay, let's pull some messages from this person. Let's pull some messages from this person. What are the messages from this person? Spirits and angels, please give some guidance and clarity. Okay, I'll pull some cards here. 1, 2. Okay, we have these messages here. It was my fault, but I blamed you. I couldn't let you get close to me. I know I messed up everything. Now they are regretting. Let this connection be platonic. So they want to have this platonic. Financially unstable, as I told you already, they are not stable financially. I can't be with you when you need me. Okay, maybe they left you abruptly, or they ghosted you. So now they are missing you, and they are, I mean, trying to know what they have done wrong in this connection. But it is entirely up to you whether you can wait for so long, because it will take a lot of time for this person to come to you. Okay, that's all I have for you. Pile number 3. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press the bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Until the next reading, bye. Whoever chose this white heart, this reading is for you. Okay, should you wait or move on? Should you wait or move on? Whoever is there in your life, in your mind, so should you wait for this person or move on? Let's ask spirits and angels. Please give us some guidance and clarity, spirits. Should they wait or move on? The Magician, Apprentice, and 2 of stars. Trust me guys, this 2 of stars is everywhere in all the readings. Okay, this is initiate, even initiate also. I don't know why the same cards are popping up. Okay, so your person might be fixed sign Taurus, Aquarius, then Leo and Scorpio, or actually I can see all the signs except the fire signs. Okay, I can see Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, then Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay, So let's see what your person wants to say. This person is definitely spying on you. Maybe you both met on social media, because this two of stars card is there, and this person is confused whether to choose you or the other person. This person is definitely they are spying on you, but at the same they have feelings for you. They are manifesting you in their life. They want you in their life, but at the same time they are confused. They don't know what to do, and they want to initiate the contact also, because the initiate card is there. They want to express their feelings, they want to confess their love, they want to definitely come back to your life. But right now they are working on something or working under somebody, and definitely they are learning something. Maybe they started a new job or a new business. They are learning the work, and they are trying to stabilize their financial status. So they want to have stability in their finances, and definitely they want to communicate with you. They want to come towards you, but very very slow. Okay, I can see that the earth signs are very very slow moving, and definitely this person is also moving very slow. Okay, so they have these feelings, but they are very slow in taking decision also. They are very slow in making a move also. Okay, that's all I'm getting from this pile. Sorry friends, my kitty is crying. It want to come here and I'm not letting it come here. Sorry, please ignore. This lockdown means everybody is at home and no other choice. Okay, let's see. Should you wait or move on? Should you wait or move on? Should you wait or move on, spirits? Whoever chose this pile number 4, please give us some guidance and clarity. One card already, two cards actually popped up. The Magician, and the Magician came twice, friends. Okay, so 8 of Swords and the Knight of Pentacles. So definitely, as I told you already, this person is very very slow in taking decision, very slow in moving. So they are coming towards you, but they are taking little time. Okay, not little, actually more time. So they are feeling like you are their wish fulfillment, and they are trying to manifest you in their life. They know that you have all the qualities that they need. Okay, so they are finding you as a correct match, but at the same time they are one more thing is they are feeling like you are their soulmate. But maybe you blocked them or they blocked you. Something is blockage, I can see here, and they are confused, they are tied up, they have some issues also, like they are not able to make a move towards you. So they are feeling like they are stuck. Okay, so they are not able to move. That is the reason they are moving very very slowly. And if you have that much patience, you can wait. But at this but I can feel the energies are very very good here. Even their feelings are very good here. Positive feelings I can see here. So definitely they are stable. They have stable feelings towards you, very positive feelings towards you. So definitely they will come towards you, but only thing is you have to wait for a long time. It will take time for this person definitely to take action and come towards you. But I can see you both are soulmates. Okay, even that person feels like you both are soulmates. Okay, let us pull one guidance card to get some clarity and summation. One card, Spirit, please give us some guidance and clarity. One card of summation. Okay, the Tower. So now universe is saying that when you are least expected, least bothered, so this person will come into your life like a tower moment. Okay, they will change, they will make your life upside down, they will change your entire life like anything. But definitely they'll come towards you, they'll come into your life when you are least expected. Okay, something will happen unexpectedly, and surely they will come, but whether you can wait for this person or not, that is up to you, but definitely they will come into your life again. So universe is saying that no need to move on, do your work, but this person will enter your life unexpectedly. Okay, let us see some messages from this person. Let's pull some messages from this person. Okay, done. Okay, I have so many cards. This distance is killing me. Maybe this is long distance relationship. Fear of rejection. As I told you already, there is blockage in this connection. So they are fearing of rejection. You can never know if you have truly in love until you get separated. So now they are feeling that pain. Okay, they are feeling the separation. Children are affecting this connection. Maybe the other person is not coming to you, maybe because they have children or they are already married. Okay, don't be angry at me. So they are telling don't be angry. Maybe they have done something to you, that is why you blocked them or they blocked you. They are saying that don't be angry at me, don't force me to commit. Okay, you have to give this person some time, then only they will come. As I told you already, they will take lot of time to come towards you. You have to be very very patient. You are my best friend. Okay, maybe some of you are best friends with each other. Okay, so that's all I can see, friends. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Until the next reading, bye.